Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boxyluxe unboxing demo. I'm going to be showing you everything that came in the box, talking a little bit about it, and showing you how I got the look I'm wearing right here. So if you're not familiar with what Boxyluxe is, it's basically the upgraded subscription of Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products that the minimum of the products to equal up in the box is like $100. And I have been doing Boxycharm for probably 8 to 9 months now, and I've really enjoyed it. There's not been a box that I was like super disappointed by yet. And I've been doing Boxyluxe. I got one last December, and then I got this one. So I don't know how long they've been doing it, but I've gotten 2 so far, and they're really good deals. Basically every 3 months you're billed an extra amount when they ship out these boxes. So you're billed your normal subscription box price plus $28.99. So if you were doing the monthly plan and not one of the subscriptions, it makes it a little bit cheaper every month. But the monthly $21 plan, it would be $49.99 every 3 months for your Boxyluxe. And honestly, I think that is so worth it. I was so happy with my first one in December, and I'm really happy with this one. I love Boxycharm. It's definitely a really good subscription service. I have not been disappointed with it at all. I've gotten so many good products out of it, and a lot of them are full size or deluxe size products, so like travel size products. So you definitely get enough to actually try out stuff. Alright, so to start off with, I just kind of put everything from my box in this bag that came in this month's Boxyluxe box, and it's a really pretty bag. It feels sturdy. It's a nice makeup bag. It's a good size. I always love new makeup bags, and this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's a bag that Boxycharm like had made for their box, and on the little card that you get sent with it explaining everything, it says the bag is worth $20. Like I said, I have no way to compare that because it is a product that they had made for them. So the next product is a skincare item, and is this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And it says here it dries quickly and reveals a smoother, clearer, brighter complexion. And this does retail for $34. After you've applied this mask, you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I wouldn't say that it cleaned out my pores like super incredible or anything like that. Like, it was not the best peel off mask for pores, but once I peeled it off, my skin was super smooth, and it just looked really smooth and healthy and bright. So I really liked it for that. It's probably one of the best peel off masks I have tried, and its main claim is to be brightening, and I definitely think it made my skin look brighter and healthier. Definitely going to keep using this. So the next product is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, and this retails for $48. So I actually already know that I love this moisturizer. I've used it multiple times before and repurchased it multiple times before, so I'm happy to have another one because I'm almost out of another moisturizer I've been using, so I'm glad to replenish that. And yeah, I really like this line from it. I know that already. I like the face wash, the moisturizer, the eye cream, the foundations. So yeah, I really like the Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. It's just a really good moisturizer, and it has really good anti-aging ingredients in it. It dries down quickly and doesn't leave you feeling greasy. You can put makeup on top of it, and it makes my skin look really healthy and soft and hydrated. And again, because of the anti-aging ingredients in it, I feel like I'm helping my skin in the long run. But yeah, I love this moisturizer, and I was really happy to see it in the box because I'm almost out of another moisturizer. So really, this kind of paid for the box itself for me, just because this is $48. The next thing that I got was the Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. So you just get 2 brushes, and you get a powder brush and like this like soft focus highlighting brush. And they just have these like pink handles, and these retail for $29.99. I've never tried any brushes from this brand, and yeah, I mean, this set my face really nice. It's just a good powder brush. And then as for this brush, I have to say I don't think I like it for highlighting, but it worked really well with a powder that's in one of the next products I'm about to show you. So you will see a demo of that when I'm using the face palette. But yeah, I really like these brushes, and like I said, always happy to get brushes in these kind of boxes. So the next product I got in my box was this iconic London brow cushion, which I was really thrown off by it at first because I was like, okay. So you open it up and it's exactly what it says. It's a brow cushion, so you have 2 colors in there. Mine's in the shade medium. And the cool thing is at first I thought it was like this like little brush to use, but the brush comes out and it folds out like that. And I actually used this to do one of my brows, and I have to say I like how that brow came out better, so I think I'm actually continue to use this brush with it. This product is such a good idea, just the like, you know, it has a really nice mirror, nice package. I love that the brush folds, and like, again, I actually used it and I liked it. And then I thought the one color was going to be way too dark for me, and I really didn't think that was going to match, but it looks really, really good. I like the color, and I really like the cushion product. Like, I was actually really shocked. I was like, I'm not gonna like this. This is gonna look awful. But no, I really, really like this. I'm definitely gonna continue to use this. And this retails for $40. And then the next thing that was in the box is this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and mine is in light medium. And it just looks like this. You get a really, really nice, big, clear mirror. Love palettes that have really big, clear mirrors like that. So I started off with the contour shade and I loved it. It was a really, really warm contour shade. Like, it wasn't as cool tone as a lot of the contours I use. It was so warm that I feel like you could use it as a bronzer too, but it still gave me a lot of shape. So I could have used it as a bronzer and I could have used it as a contour, and I did use it as a contour. And I contoured my nose with it, which generally these kind of products in these face palettes, you can't really contour your nose with it because you need really specific colors, at least on my skin tone, to get a good nose contour. But I really, really like that. The blush was super pretty. It's one of those blushes that just gives you like that light, natural flush, but you still have color on your face. I have been blush crazy last few weeks. Every time I apply blush, it's a lot of it. But I really, really like this for like when you just want like that natural like flush of blush, and you can still see the blush. It's not so light that it's like super natural. I mean, you can still see blush on my cheeks, but it is just this natural, healthy flush of color. And then you do get 2 highlighters in the palette. You get this like pinky rosy color and then this golden color. And I use the golden color, which is called Divine, and it was so pretty. Then the next 2 things in the palette is this finishing powder and this brightening powder. So the finishing powder I got, you were kind of supposed to use like just as an all over face powder. So I used it very similar to how I would use my Hourglass ambient lighting powder, where I just literally take it all over this area and in the center of my forehead, just to give you my like healthy glow, because it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer to it, but then when you put it on the skin, it's just a glowy product. You don't see like actual shine. It doesn't look like a highlighter. And oh my god, it's so pretty. It just gives you such a healthy look. And then the brightener in the palette is a color they kind of advertise to use as like a highlighter in your more specific points, like your cupid's bow, your inner corner, your eyebrow. And that's how I used it, and I really, really like it. And the thing about this palette that I love is it just gives you this like super pretty, healthy look with every single product. Every product in it just made you look so healthy. I really, really, really like this palette. I usually cannot stand face palettes. Honestly, when I first saw this, I was like, I don't feel like I'm gonna like this, because I feel like I've seen products just like this before, you know, and I just haven't liked them. Because face palettes, you know, especially when you get into like light medium kind of thing, it's like, okay, you want this to work for me and this person, versus individually picking out a contour shade, a highlight shade, a blush, and you put it all in one palette. The only thing missing from this that I would need to personally do like my full face is a setting powder. But other than that, I could keep this and pack it and travel with it and literally be able to do my whole face. And it's so beautiful. It is so, so, so beautiful. I love this. It's definitely going in my everyday makeup, and it retails for $45. And I think that's actually one of the products that everyone got, whether you have Boxyluxe or Boxycharm. So that's awesome, because that's such a good product. So the next product you got in the box was one of the Morphe 15 shade artistry palettes, and I'm pretty sure there's different colors of them. I actually don't own any of them. I've seen them in stores, but I'm just so used to buying the big Morphe palettes. If I get any of them, I've never tried these small ones. And really nice plastic packaging, has a really nice mirror, and this is what it looks like. Now at first I looked at this palette and I was like, I didn't expect to like this palette as much as I did, but I used Goals in the crease, and then I took the shade Creativity and I put it all over the lid. And at first I had a little bit of fallout, but the fallout just kind of wiped away and it didn't leave any marks on my makeup. And then I wet the brush and went back in with Creativity, and it just made it so metallic and foiled. And I took the shade Unique and patted that on my center of my lid, and then took the shade Goals and Cliche and put that underneath my lash line, and then went back in with the shade Cliche on my top lid just to deepen out the outer V. All the colors that I used were so pigmented. They blended out so easily. And the shimmers were really shimmery and metallic-y and foiled. Did not expect to like this palette as much as I did. And this palette retails for $16. And then you did get a pair of lashes in it from Lily Lashes, which I have. The lashes are not in here because they're on my eyes. But mine were in the style Gaia. G-A-I-A. I'm sorry if I'm totally mispronouncing that. But it's part of the faux mink lashes, and these retailed for $24.99. Lily Lashes, one of my favorite lash brands, so I was super excited to see a pair of lashes from there. They're super pretty, and you can wear Lily Lashes for up to 20 times, so they last so long. All right, we are almost done, but the next product was the Becca Ultimate Lipstick, which I almost forgot when I was doing my eyes that a lipstick came in the box, so I was so excited to see that the lipstick actually kind of goes with the look, because I just totally forgot. Like, I would have like purpley brown eyes and then like a bright pink lip. I mean, that would be good. So this lipstick retails for $24. I've never tried a Becca lipstick, and it says that they have 15 different shades, and I definitely want to pick up more because I really, really like this lipstick and the way it feels. And I was so happy to get this color. It's in the shade Taupe, and it's just one of those like warm brown cinnamon colors, and I love those kind of colors. This is the kind of color that I like started wearing with lipstick, because when I was younger, these are the kind of colors that my grandmother liked to wear, and my grandmother was the one in my family that wore makeup. So these are always the colors I would take and wear from her. So when I started wearing makeup, these were like the lipsticks I like gravitated towards. So I love, love, love these kind of like cinnamon warm shades. And yeah, so I really like this lipstick and the way it feels. And then the next product I got were these Deborah Lipman nail polishes. And you get them in the shade O'Donna and Modern Love. It's just these pretty mauve-y, like pinky. And this one's a little bit duochrome, and you can see like pink and red and gold in it. Just nail polishes. It's the only thing in the box that I'm not testing out, but I have heard really, really good things about these polishes. So that was everything that came in my box. So many good products. I am so happy with this box this month. Like I said, I haven't hated a box I got yet, and I really liked my last Boxyluxe box. But this one's just so good. Blew me out of the water and impressed me. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my other future uploads, and I will talk to you soon.